As we polish the outer surface of the building, the interior work is just beginning to commence. As the custodians of the shrines of Imam Hussein and Abi Abbas expand and proliferate their efforts to host millions more in the holy shrines, exceeding record-breaking numbers, the construction of a Tell al-Zainabiyya and the Mukhayyam are underway and in full force. Imam Hussein Media Group has been at the forefront in bringing you breathtaking images, shows and documentaries of the holy shrines of Imam Hussein alayhi salam and Abi Abbas alayhi salam. But now, with the perfect execution of the Mukhayyam and the Tell al-Zainabiyya, Imam Hussein Media Group has obtained an eagle-eyed view of all 4 shrines to be. Here is where we need you to step in for the final push. Whilst everything on the outer may be complete, the inner is far from done. We are calling on every single flag bearer of Zainab alayhi salam to hear this call. The new building has a total of 2 prime studios, each needing their own unique setup and equipment. The studios are named after the iconic mausoleums that they face. Having said that, the Al-Mukhayyam studio is located on the 7th and 8th floor, and the Bab al-Qibla studio is situated directly above that on the 9th and 10th floor. They will need studio windows, wiring, lighting, camera equipment and sets, and much more. But these are the basic fundamentals needed to get the shows underway in each studio. Here is where we need you more than ever before. We are so close to completing this project, and we are sincerely appreciative and thankful for your patience, your support and determination to complete this home for you here in Karbala. Invest in the future of the next generation. Invest in the message of Imam al-Hussein, and most importantly, invest in your hereafter. Imam Hussein TV, your gateway to Karbala.